I need to free my mind now. I really need mine now. I need to free my mind now.
Hey y'all, this week looked like a lot of early mornings, lab coats, content filming, and honestly, a lot of reflection. I'm a cosmetic chemist living in the DMV, and lately life has felt like starting over. New city, new routines, new energy. All while still building a career in cosmetic science that I've spent years growing into. So this is a real week in my life. Not just the aesthetic parts, but what it actually feels like to be a cosmetic chemist in a new chapter. I didn't just randomly wake up and become a cosmetic chemist. This has been years of studying, formulating, failing batches, learning regulations, and slowly building my confidence in this industry. Before moving to the DMV, I had already spent years working in cosmetic formulation, creating products that ended up in major retailers and online shelves that people might not even realize I helped create. But moving here shifted something for me. It pushed me into a space where I'm not just formulating. I'm teaching, creating content, and redefining what my career looks like now. And I'll be making another video going deeper into how to actually become a cosmetic chemist, because that's a journey all on its own, to be honest. Mornings usually start simple for me: skincare, maybe makeup, and getting ready not just for lab work, but content creation as well. Because part of my role now includes showing the science behind the brand in a way that people can understand. Some days I'm checking on active batches, watching textures, stability, and how ingredients behave after sitting overnight. Other days I'm deep in formulation prep, reviewing ingredients, adjusting percentages, and planning upcoming projects. And this week was especially busy because I was also preparing for my first body scrub class here in the DMV. That meant ordering raw materials, building lesson plans, and mentally preparing myself to teach in a brand new environment. There were meetings, filming sessions, and a lot of behind the scenes work that people don't usually see when they think about the cosmetic industry and cosmetic chemistry in general. Starting over at 30 feels layered. There's excitement because I'm finally stepping into spaces where I can lead and teach. But there's also uncertainty, learning a new city, building new routines, and figuring out who I am outside of my old comfort zones. Some days I feel incredibly confident walking into the lab. Other days I'm reminding myself that growth is uncomfortable and that change doesn't always feel glamorous. Cosmetic science itself feels different now too. It's no longer just about formulation. It's about community, education, and helping people understand the power behind the products they use every day. And I've realized that this phase of my life is less about proving myself and more about evolving into the next version of who I'm meant to be. By the end of the week, everything led up to preparing for my first body scrub class here, measuring ingredients, setting up stations, and thinking about the people who will walk in and trust me to teach them something new. Honestly, I felt nervous. Starting something new in a new city always brings that what if feeling. But at the time, I felt proud because this is exactly the kind of work I dreamed about. And when I started studying cosmetic science. This week reminded me that growth doesn't look polished. Sometimes it looks like early mornings, trial and error, and quiet moments where you realize you're building a life that's completely different from what you once knew. If you want to see more about how I became a cosmetic chemist, from school to industry to now, that's the next video coming soon. If you're also navigating a new chapter, just know you're not alone in figuring it out as you go. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you might want to see. We may be able to help each other in this new journey that we're exploring. I wish you nothing but the best, and follow me continuously on this journey. Bye.
I really need